guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the top 3 AI stocks to buy before 2024. The new year, I hate to say it, is approaching, and these are going to be the top 3 AI, artificial intelligence stocks to buy beforehand. AI is rated to grow at 37 to 38% per year for the next 10 years. So if we can make some cheddar cheese off that, that's going to be absolutely fantastic. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into this one. Alright, so like I said, artificial intelligence is rated to grow at 37 to 38% for the next 10 years. So if we can make some money off of that, that's gonna be beautiful. And all these stocks, in my opinion, carry so much potential. But like always, do your own research before you guys invest. So let's jump into this one. All right, stock number 1 for me is MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. This one here is heavily invested into artificial intelligence, AI, software, computer chips, graphics cards, and a variety of other technology services. One of the main reasons why I absolutely love this one is we've seen an extreme amount of sell-off from its highs, all the way from $475 all the way to $316. And you may be saying, Carter, why did it get sell-off? We have had great revenues, we've had great profit margins, great cash flow. Yeah, the only struggle I think we saw was a little slip up on the revenue, but at the end of the day, stocks are going to fluctuate. We're going to have great quarters, we're going to have bad quarters. And with artificial intelligence being one of the best sectors to invest in, and this company having great profit margins, great cash flow, I believe the next quarters will see a huge increase in revenue and the stock will go up. Another reason why I absolutely love MSTR is we've had tendencies of getting major buying pressure near and around $316. It's a very, very hard support for the stock. Support is just when we've seen natural tendencies of getting buying pressure at a certain price, and that's kind of what I've noticed is every time it's hit about 316 near and around that price, we've had buying pressure. So it's like buying near and around the support line, which support is always the best time to invest. All right, stock number 2 is Opera Software. This one here is actually a search engine, AI, and software company. The reason why I love Opera is it's a search engine, meaning it has artificial intelligence integrated in the search, which is cool. But one of the reasons why I think it's beautiful and it's a real game changer for search engine is it offers a free VPN, which is fantastic. It helps keep your privacy online so you're less likely to get hacked and stuff like that. But not even just that, the fundamentals on this thing are absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at here. We've seen the revenue up 20%. We've seen the profit margin up 336%, which is so much. And they have over $90 million in cash with only $2 million in debt. So this one here is an absolute baller of a stock. And yeah, I understand we have seen some volatility with this stock, but hey, for a stock that's near and around 10 bucks, I'm buying some. I think it's a great pick, and honestly, it's going to be a fun one to see what happens with it. All right, moving on to the last and final stock of the top 3 series is going to be C3 AI. This one here, we've seen great revenues, great fundamentals, but like always, this company is heavily invested, spending millions, if not billions of dollars into artificial intelligence, software development, and AI, like I said, rated to grow 37%. So we have seen great growth out of C3 AI in the past year, which is beautiful. But I just love seeing the profit margin up 20%. Profit margin, all that leftover money that they can use to grow and integrate inside the business. And a lot of analysts think that this thing is gonna go way a heck higher. Alrighty guys, so these were the top 3 AI stocks to buy before 2024. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. And before we leave, guys, before you guys trade or dump money into this, a good strategy, dollar cost averaging. So dollar cost averaging is a great way to invest into growth stocks and more volatile companies, and it really, really reduces the risk, but still you have so much reward. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.